All right, guys, so I got this chainsaw sharpening tool from Temu. I was trying to buy some type of woodworking tool that was on a flash sale, but in order to buy it, you had to buy so much more other stuff, I guess. I don't know. So I just clicked around and bought what it was, like $25 worth of stuff in order for them to ship it. And this was one of the things that I bought. It's got the instructions here. We're going to go over this real quick and see if it works to sharpen this chainsaw. This is the hand crank for the little grindy bit right here. And this is the tool. I'm going to make some guesses on this, but it looks like the saw blade goes in there. This secures it in place. This is where your grindy bit goes in. Have this Allen wrench right here. I'm going to loosen this nut up. There is a flat side on this grindy bit that you'll use to go up against that Allen wrench. This is the part that goes in, and it'll turn that grindy bit. These knobs that I said were extra actually go in here to help secure the guide onto the blade. So just go ahead and put them into where they're just barely coming out. So you want the blade to where it can move, and you're going to put it on like so. And so you want to pick your tooth you're going to sharpen. We're going to start right here. So I'm going to put it in the one that angles it properly, put it in this one that angles it properly. And it slides on. Basically, you're putting it onto that where it fits right in that tooth. Like so. You're just going to put it to where it's right where it needs to be to sharpen. You're going to put this all the way in as well. Then you're going to tighten this front one down. And if you see in there that has that little piece that goes behind that chain tooth, and this pushes that forward, it pushes the whole chain forward up against that sharpener, and these hold the sharpener to the bar like so. And this, by adjusting this, pushes that tooth into the grinding part. Then you turn that like a pencil sharpener. Then you switch to the other one, move it over here to the tooth facing the other way, and repeat the process. I think this is kind of complicated, and I would almost rather just use a file by hand, but we're going to go ahead and give this a try. Maybe if you had a chain that was really bad and you were trying to fix it, this would be better, because I think you could do a lot more grinding faster. So you're just supposed to turn it, tighten it, turn it, tighten it, turn it, tighten it, and you just keep repeating the process until you think you have it sharpened enough. Right in there, it does look like it does a good job. It does grind the teeth down, and it just takes a little time to get used to. You loosen that up, then you go to the next tooth. Don't overshoot it. There. Got to get it into the right position. Screw this down until it pushes that tooth up to your grinder. And then you grind away. It's kind of hard to show it because it's so small on this one. I'm just grinding it as I'm tightening it. You can pull this out. You could check it. It says to remember to keep the same depth on all your teeth. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen this whole chain and then see how it turns out. So I just finished sharpening all the teeth. It went pretty smoothly. I occasionally had to readjust this because it wouldn't quite line up where it needed to be. I don't know if it moved or what. Overall, it looks like it did a pretty decent job. I'm going to go take it out and cut down a tree. I'll let you know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching.